Garbage Family Show.
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, we've received a lot of questions about how we built our waste management side loader garbage truck. Specifically, how we built the grabber. So we're going to show you how. We've made several videos about how we build our recycle truck and our rear loader truck from the ground up. If you want to see that level of detail, we put links to the videos in the description below. Or you can just Google how to make your own recycling truck or Google how to build a garbage truck for kids. Either way, you'll find it. Alright, here's how you build a waste management garbage truck grabber for kids.
This is a mock-up of the grabber. You have 4 24-inch sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have 2 12-inch sticks. Each stick is 3/4 inch thick by 1.5 inches wide.
Time for some fast mode.
Put the holes about a ½ inch down from the line.
Now we put bolts in with washers on both sides.
You don't want it too tight because then it can't turn like you need to.
Wow, Dad, you're doing a good job. It's really coming along, but we're not finished yet. We have to make it longer.
Now it's time to put the grabber on. Or as our friend Cooper calls it, the tongs that grab the can.
These are screwed into place so they can firmly grab the can.
Now that the grabber assembly is complete, the next challenge is how to make it extend from the truck and decline to grab the garbage can and then go up into the hopper, because it just is heavy. This whole thing is heavy and it's natural just to go straight off the end of the truck. So you got to elevate it and have a hinge back here to allow it to drop down and a hinge to allow it to pull back up. So that's the next challenge. The first hinge so the truck can dump all the way down. And the other one will stack on top of that. Next step in building the grabber is to put an eyelet in the last bar here. And you're going to string some rope through there, and that's going to be used to pull the grabber up and down, which will be obvious to you as later on in the video and how it functions. But this is the next step right now. We have the eyelet going to the top. I like to freeze it here because this is an important shot that shows the function of the spring and the black rope and the green rope. The black rope is what pulls the grabber up and down so you can dump the trash into the hopper. That green rope is attached to a spring and the grabber. So when you pull the green rope, it stretches the grabber out to grab the garbage can. And when you relax the green rope, that spring makes the grabber contract or get smaller. And that's all you need to make it go back and forth and give the grabber some life. And here's what the truck looks like from the outside now that the green foam board has been applied. You'll notice the black rope is going through a hole along the top and the green rope is going into a hole along the bottom of the truck. You'll need to pull both ropes simultaneously to effectively dump the trash. The green rope is going to stretch out to get that can, and once you have it, you pull on that black rope while holding the green rope tight, and it'll go up into the hopper and dump.
Are you gonna put this on the truck? This is sweet.
Yeah, we're going to put it right there.
On normal trucks though, it's normally right there.
Maybe we'll put it on the bottom. Maybe put it.
Hey Garbage Family Show friends, it's shout out time. I want to give a shout out to Cooper, his mom Tiffany, and his dad Kenny.
Hi, this is Gracey. I want to give a shout out to Cooper too. Thanks for being awesome. If you're new to Garbage Family Show, please pound that subscribe button so you don't miss a single episode.
And please give this video a like, it helps us out a lot. Thanks for watching, bye!